Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create circle using different methods. For creating circle in AutoCAD, you can go to the command line and type C enter. There are various ways to make circle. That includes 3-point circle, 2-point circle, TTR, using center point and radius, using center point and diameter. As you can see, we have three options here: 3P, 2P and TTR. And also it is asking for center point of circle. For further options, we can also go to draw, circle, and there we can find other options like TTR and TTT. First we will see how to create a circle using center and radius. So click on center radius, choose a center point, and then it will ask you for a radius. Specify any radius, let me say 2 units, to enter. As you can see, it has created a circle which is having radius 2. Now if I want to create a circle using diameter, I can again go to draw, circle, center diameter, specify a center point and give diameter. Let me say diameter is 5. Let me verify it by dimensioning. Yes, it has created a circle of diameter 5. Now let us see other methods like 2-point. Draw, circle, 2-point. You have to specify 2 points in which the circle will assume its diameter. First point and second point. These 2 points are used to give the diameter of circle. In a similar way, we can make a circle using 3 points. Draw, circle, 3 point. First point, second point, and then third point. In this, diameter will not be a number which you know. It will be a random. Draw, circle. Now TTR, that is tangent radius. Suppose I want to create a circle whose tangents are these 2 lines and I have to specify its radius. So I have to choose option tangent radius. Then select the first line, select the second line and give radius. Let me say radius is 2 units. So it will create a circle of radius 2 units whose tangents are these 2 lines. Now, moving forward to the next type of circle, 10-10-10. In this, we specify a circle with the help of 3 tangents. Click on the first tangent, second tangent, and then third tangent. It will make a circle between those 3 lines, and those 3 lines will act as a tangent to that circle. So this is all for today's video. Thank you.